Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and this is the way that I did my crochets. These are box braids. I have a lot of tips along the way of how I achieve this beautiful quick look. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is part your hair across the front from ear to ear and make the size boxes that you want to make with your hair. This is instant control, and I will be using this to control the flyaways and make the hair look nice and new. And I put a little twist on it to make sure that it looks nice and tight. So now, with this box that I have just made, we are going to rubber band that box off. But remember guys, we are not making these rubber bands tight at all. We want this to be a nice, comfortable style and put no stress on our hair. So we are going to go all the way across the front like that, ponytailing off our boxes from ear to ear.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way.
When you're done, it should look like this, nice and neat. So this is the hair that we will be using. It's box braids, boho, 12-inch hair, and 3 come in each pack, and it looks like this. Now on each of these rows, you are going to get 8 braids. So 27 braids come in a pack, and I got the 12-inch because I like short hair. So this is the way it looks. Now right here, I am going to show you the regular way that you can crochet your hair. But throughout this video, I will be giving you a different way that you can crochet your hair and some tips along the way. So we are going to pull that hair straight through the ponytailed hair, and it should look like this. Now, if you do not know how to braid, that is no problem, because I am going to give you an extra bonus towards the end. Now here, I am going to part my hair off in a second row, and you'll see why in a minute. Okay, now that we have parted our hair from ear to ear going all the way across for the second row, we're going to put this hair away, and then we're going to use some more instant control to control the flyaways. Now we are going to take the hair that was left over from the 2 front box braids, and we are going to rubber band the new box in the second row. And we're going to go all the way across with the second row, connecting the first row to the second row, just like this. We have the ponytails in the front, and I parted off my hair in the back. Parted it off so you can see. We are going to take the braid, the crochet braid. Let's lay this hair down so you can see exactly what's going on. We're going to come from the back of the crochet braid. We're going to hook it in there, and we're going to pull it through, okay? That's why you don't want these rubber bands tight. Then we're going to take our hair and pull it through the loop of the braid. Now that is the second way you can crochet your hair. See that? It's pulled through the loop of the braid. We're going to do it again. Put this on here, close that up, Pull it through the loop of the braid. We're going to take the hair here. We're going to grab our ponytail hair, grab that, close it up, pull it through the loop of that braid. Then what we are going to do, we have this braid here. We're going to brick layer this, which meaning we're going to ponytail between both of these braids using the hair with both of those braids. Now, this is not necessary. If you want to brick layer the second row with the first row, you can, or you can do individual ponytails. That is completely up to you. Now, if you want, you can do your whole head this way, but I'm not going to do that. Y'all already know that I am extra, so wait to the end to see how I end up finishing this style off. And it looked like that. I am going to finish up these and I will be back.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away? You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we walk?
Okay? And this is how the front look. This is how it's going to look in the front. All right? Now, if you want, you could take that same row, the ponytails, and do the same thing. Here, you can go between here. Take that hair. And when you lift it up, it will be brick layered like that. One, brick layer, one. That's when they stagger. That is called brick layering. So, I'm going to go across here and I'll be back. So this is a cap. Okay, so this is a cap that has braids in it. Okay, so what you're going to do, especially if you like me and you like oil in your hair, look at that. You like oil in your hair and stuff like that. It comes with two combs in it, so you don't have to worry about it slipping. Y'all see that comb? Comes with a comb in the front and a comb in the back if you want to use them. It's a nice fit too. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, it is a nice, comfortable fit. So what I am going to do, what I am going to do is I'm going to crochet that. I sure am. I am going to crochet this cap. All right, I'm going to crochet this cap everywhere I want my braids to be. When I close this cap up, you will not know that I have a cap on my head. Okay, to just get to crocheting. Now, if you want, you can also sew these braids down on this cap and the braids will lay flatter. And not only can I oil my hair and not have to sleep in this hair, I can take this off and I have this hair piece for a while. I have it for a while. Okay, so here we are. So you can imagine. You can imagine how that is going to look. That's why I did 2 rows of the braids. And that's why I told you you don't have to, you know, braid your hair or crochet your hair all the way back, you know. So what I am going to do is finish doing a little bit more of this cap. You see that? Look at that. I'm just going to fill in the cap and then I will show you how it looks. All right. So while I'm filling in this cap, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up my video, guys. We have done it again.